Talk back off.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Rant. My name is Q. It's been a while since I shot a video. So much has been going on, this pandemic and things like that. I think the last video I did was an unboxing of the Galaxy A11. I may have given a 24-hour impressions. I'm not sure. I gotta look. But that phone, we'll go ahead and talk. I'll give a quick update in this video real quick. Let you guys know a little bit about where I've been. We'll talk about T-Mobile, how have they been lately, and things of that nature. So let's get started. So first things first, I hope everybody is staying warm. At the time of recording this, where I'm at, it is like 15 degrees or something like that. But it feels like it's in single digits or possibly even negative. So quite cold out there. Some of y'all in Texas and things like that, quite cold, and a lot of y'all are without power. So my heart goes out to y'all and hope that your power gets restored as possible. All right, so let's talk for a minute. So first of all, I just been trying to lay low, get some things in order, get my business together, and business is starting to pick back up. I'm definitely in a more comfortable position. This video will go up here shortly, and right behind it, within the next few hours or so, I'll have an unboxing. That's right, we'll have an unboxing. It's a phone that I've been wanting for a while, and I was able to get my hands on it because of some great folks at T-Mobile. So shout out to T-Mobile for working with me on that. So if you guys don't know, I am back with T-Mobile, and I will say this: the phone that I am going to get, it is a 5G phone. That's all I'm gonna say. This here, I'm recording this off the Pixel 3a, which has been a phenomenal phone. This has been my primary daily driver for the past 6 months. 8 months now. I do have the A11 still. I use it for like a business line. I don't really do much work on it, but it is for business purposes, and it works just for the purpose of that. I still have my iPhone 8. I still have my original SE. But a lot of phones that I had before, I don't have those anymore. But yeah, so the Pixel 3a more than likely will be replaced by the new device, and you will see what that is coming shortly. That will be today. And I've been with T-Mobile for 8 months, and I've got to say, I've been unfaithful to carriers. I was a big fan of Boost Mobile and Sprint. You guys know this from way back. But T-Mobile is, in my personal opinion, the best carrier, especially what they did for me yesterday. That was freaking phenomenal. So here's the thing. I've been with T-Mobile, like I said, for 8 months. Pixel 3 has been my daily driver, and I've had nothing but excellent service. Customer service has been wonderful. I got 3 lines on my account. One of those lines is actually free, or something like that. I think it's like 27 cents that I pay, or some mess like that. It's me and my brother at the moment, and you know, I pay on time every month, and I've always, T-Mobile is just where it's at. I get excellent coverage in my area, and it just, you know, T-Mobile works for me. So, you know, if you have Verizon or AT&T works for you, hey, more power to you. I was a big fan of Sprint, and I'm glad to see T-Mobile absorb Sprint. Definitely makes things a lot easier. I haven't noticed really. I've always had good T-Mobile coverage in my area, so I can't say I've really noticed an improvement. But definitely call quality is phenomenal, and man, T-Mobile is where it's at, man. I'm happy with T-Mobile, and I don't see myself leaving at any time soon. So, Verizon. You guys know I had a rocky relationship with Verizon, or I didn't talk about it much, but Verizon was my primary carrier for over a year and a half, and they were all right. They were all right. I have my love-hate relationship with them, but T-Mobile, I've been happy with T-Mobile ever since I've been with them, and I don't see myself, like I said, going anywhere else. So, like I said, I got an unboxing coming, so stay tuned for that. Overall, I'm good. Business is doing pretty good. Then had to deal with some deaths. This COVID-19 is no joke, so please wash your hands, stay safe. Um, you know, definitely disinfect your devices, things like that, and do what you got to do to stay safe and definitely stay warm. We got Uri here where I'm at. Um, I don't usually give my location out, but where I'm at, I'll tell you, I'm in Ohio. So, say that part. I'm in Ohio, so I'm considered the Midwest, and you know, it's been bad here. We just got through Uri. I think is that the name? Yeah, Uri. We got through Uri, and now we're gonna have Viola. Viola's set to move in tonight, so it's something. It's been something. So definitely, if you got snow, ice, or cold weather, stay warm, stay safe, wash your hands. Because now it's not only is it COVID going around, it's also flu season. So definitely, stay warm, stay safe, and do what you need to do to keep yourself protected and good. All right. So coming up shortly, you will get the unboxing of. Almost said it. The unboxing of my new phone, which will probably be replacing the Pixel 3a. Um, you know, but hey, sometimes we gotta move on. You guys know how I am. I'm glad that I was able to do this. So, thank you guys for sticking with me. If this is helpful, informative in any way, please leave a like on the video. Comment down below, subscribe, share, all the other good stuff. And I will catch you guys on the next one here shortly. Take care. Later.
Screen hidden. Talk back on. Stop video.